Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to be here to be introducing the next evolution of Amper, the Amper FactoryOS. My name is Akshat and I'm co-founder and CEO at Amper. I grew up immersed in the world of manufacturing all my life. My family's been running a manufacturing business for 3 generations, and I saw up close the intricacy and challenge it takes in getting parts out of the door. There's a saying, the future is here already, it's just not evenly distributed. This is incredibly true in the world of manufacturing. The largest manufacturers in the world are able to invest millions of dollars in automation and connecting every part of the business so they get a complete picture of their shop floor and manufacturing operations. However, this is not true for 99% of manufacturers in the US that are small and mid-sized businesses. These folks are left with clipboards, whiteboards, Excel, and legacy ERP systems. And the reality is that it's incredibly complex and expensive to connect up the shop floor. A typical shop floor has a mix of old machines, new machines, different brands, and connecting this up is not a trivial task. In addition, manufacturers have bespoke ERP systems that are very hard to migrate from, creating further strain in siloing this data. And so ultimately, the vast majority of manufacturers are stuck with analog ways to run their operations. That's why we started Amper. And the goal was to simplify the way shop floor data is collected. And we've successfully done this with a patented technology that connects any kind of machine in a couple of minutes. And using this, we've seen incredible use cases around being able to get more visibility on downtime, being able to increase OEE, and beyond. While it's been exciting to see our customers succeed and get visibility to parts of the business that were completely opaque, we realized that machine monitoring is just not enough. A shop is more than just machines, and it's about looking at the entire ecosystem holistically so you can get a clear picture. And so the next evolution of Amper is all about addressing silos in manufacturing. We know there's important information fragmented across ERP systems, payroll systems, pen and paper, and beyond. And that's why we built the FactoryOS, to take the 99% of manufacturers to the next level with this new technology. So what is the Amper FactoryOS? It's all about bringing in siloed piece of data into a single place so you can get a complete and holistic picture of your business. For example, we're combining data from your ERP system on jobs and part numbers. We're combining this with your workforce data, things like time tracking and payroll. And additionally, we're bringing in context from your operators. And all of this combined with automated machine data gives you a complete picture of your business so you can answer crucial questions that drive your operations every day. This next evolution is about a more connected and powerful future. We've re-architected the way Amper works, and that's enabling us to provide an entirely new roadmap to our customers. The Amper FactoryOS will help you better train, coach, and manage your workforce so you can close the skills gap. Additionally, we're launching tools to help you understand the financial impact on your different part numbers and SKUs so you can ensure you hit your margin and profitability targets. We're also investing in ways to help you better manage your jobs and your schedule so you can improve your on-time delivery and also set up your jobs and schedule for success. The Amper FactoryOS enables AI-driven applications so you can get to decisions faster. We're investing in additional ways to collect shop floor data, for example, pulling more data from machine controllers. With this, we're going after the largest problems on your shop floor and are incredibly excited for this new chapter in Amper. At Amper, our mission is to help build the next generation of factories to empower manufacturers to track, execute, and transform their operations. The Amper FactoryOS is not a new product or a feature. It's a commitment to a smarter, more connected, and human-centric approach to manufacturing, because smart factories run on Amper. Thank you.